Hello dear viewers, and welcome to Seventh Heaven. Here, we're dedicated to sharing with you the magic of 7, by presenting carefully curated lists of 7 helpful tips, life hacks, and invaluable pieces of information that are bound to elevate your existence. Join us, and be the heaven you wish to see. Today, we're tackling a topic that many of us can relate to: fighting back the cramps, 7 foods to relieve period pain. But before we dive into these natural remedies, make sure you've subscribed and hit that notification bell. We're here to make your life easier, especially during that time of the month. Let's get started. Ladies, we've all been there, the monthly struggle. Those painful cramps that seem to have a vendetta against us. But what if I told you that your kitchen holds some magical solutions? People have used foods as part of natural remedies for centuries. This is not medical advice, and one should always talk to your doctor before trying any changes. These foods are merely natural alternatives that have shown to potentially work for some, to help relieve symptoms and pain associated with monthly periods. Let's begin. Our first ally in the fight against period pain is a humble yet powerful fruit: bananas. The high potassium content in bananas, along with magnesium, can help alleviate those painful cramps. Try eating a banana or 2 each day during your period. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which may reduce bloating and cramping. Additionally, bananas are a good source of fiber, which can help with digestion. Next up, we have dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right, dark chocolate. It's not just a treat, it's a period pain reliever. In this segment, we'll explore the delightful world of dark chocolate and its role in boosting mood and easing cramps. This is because dark chocolate is high in magnesium and fiber, which can help ease cramps. When choosing chocolate to help with menstrual cramps, it's crucial to select one that has an 85% cocoa content. This will ensure that you're getting the most benefit from the chocolate, as well as the mental joy from eating this delicious snack. Our third food is ginger. Ginger. It's a spice that's been used for centuries for its healing properties, and it can be a game changer during your period. A study found that ginger for period pain can be as effective as ibuprofen and other over-the-counter medicine in relieving menstrual cramps. It plays a significant role in reducing prostaglandin levels, the culprits behind cramps. Ginger has a compound called gingerol, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, aiding with cramps and boosting energy in the body. Adding about 3 to 4 grams of the ginger extract to a tea or water is recommended once per day. More than that can irritate the stomach. Ginger is also an effective remedy that also benefits irregular periods caused by hormonal imbalance. You can try adding grated ginger to your food to induce periods. For food number 4, we're diving into the depths of the ocean to find our next pain-relieving hero: salmon. Discover the omega-3 fatty acids in salmon and how they can work wonders for reducing period pain. These fatty acids help reduce inflammation, which may be why they are helpful for cramps. Vitamin B6 is also present in salmon, and it helps reduce the tenderness of the breast and irritability that may accompany menstrual cramps. Our fifth food might not sound glamorous, but it's packed with nutrients that your body craves during your period: leafy greens. Let's take an extended tour of the world of leafy greens and how their iron-rich goodness can combat fatigue and anemia, common concerns during menstruation. Kale and spinach are both excellent sources of iron, which can help make up for losing blood each month. Feeling sluggish and rundown during your period is common, but eating plenty of iron-rich foods can help you feel more energetic. Next up is a tropical delight: pineapple. It's not just a refreshing snack, it can be your ally against period pain. Bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple, can work its anti-inflammatory magic on cramps. The enzymes help break down food, and the natural anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the body. Add some fresh pineapple, yogurt, and ice cubes to a blender and blend until smooth. Enjoy this refreshing smoothie to help relieve your menstrual cramps. For food number 7, we're delving into the world of herbal teas, specifically chamomile and peppermint. Join us as we take a look at how these soothing herbal teas can ease cramps and relax your mind. Chamomile contains compounds that can reduce muscle spasms and calm down the nervous system, which may help to relieve cramping. In addition, chamomile and peppermint tea is a great way to hydrate and stay refreshed during your period. These teas are not just comforting, they can be potent natural remedies. How about a round of applause for the pharmacy of Mother Nature? Natural foods and remedies can truly be your allies in the battle against period pain. Remember, these remedies are not just effective, they're delicious, easy to incorporate into your diet, and scientifically proven to provide relief. If you know of other foods out there that may help, feel free to share in the comments below. Say goodbye to those cramps and embrace a more comfortable, pain-free period. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Together, we can make every woman's period a little easier to bear. For more tips, life hacks, and advice on women's health and wellness, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time, take care of yourselves and may your periods be cramp-free and stress-free. Be sure to click the links in the description box for some amazing, life-changing, healthy must-haves that could not only improve your weight loss efforts, but also leave you feeling young and refreshed.